So today we're going to talk a little bit about Nearpod. This is a website and also an application that's available for the iPad or Android devices. Um, and it basically offers another way to give a presentation to students. There are a couple different options for whenever you get in and you're creating your presentation. But for today, I'm just going to talk about how to create an account and sort of how to explore this site a little bit. So the first thing you see when you go to the website is this screen where they give you some options to either log in or sign up for free. Um, you're perfectly able to start exploring for free, as you can see. However, you're not really able to save presentations to an account then, so it's kind of a one and done. So really you want to log in. So you can click log in here in the upper right. When you click that, it takes you to a page and you can see that I've already created an account, so it recognizes me from before. But if you do not have one already, you can hit sign up. And if you're a teacher, obviously you'd keep it on teacher, which is the default, and you would hit sign up with email. At this point, you put in your first name, which I'll go ahead and enter again for myself, and my last name. And then you need to use a school district email. So I have used mine for Altoona School District and Coster at altoonasd.com. And then I have already created a password. You would hit I am not a robot. You also need to agree to their terms and conditions and that you're over 13. And then you would hit sign up, which of course I already have this account. So when I click sign up, it's going to say that this account already exists. But for you, it would take you to the welcome screen. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with my regular login. And then you will see what you should have seen when you got through that sign up, and that takes you to this home screen. Now on this home screen, you have a few different options. You have your library, and in my library, that is where they store your presentations. Now, since you're just starting, there wouldn't be anything in there. So we'll go ahead and hold off on that for now. You have Explore, which I am going to click into. And under Explore, you're able to search and save presentations that already exist. They have a store. Some are free, some cost money. It all depends on what you're looking for if you want something that's pre-existing. Let's go ahead and just search. As an example, I'm teaching of mice and men right now in my English class. So I'm going to search of mice and men. And when I do that, you can see there are many different options for this. Study guides that are available for different grades. We have grade 9 or grade 9 and up. For different chapters, you can see chapter 6, chapter 5. You are able to preview the lesson. So when you click that, it will take you in, and you're able to see a few slides, what it looks like. You can see some of the activities, and then they will ask you frequently whether you want to buy it or continue previewing. But obviously, if you want to be able to keep it and use it in your class, you would need to purchase. Now, there are also options that are free. Let's see if I can find that. While you are searching through, you are able to look for these different filters. You're able to see by pricing, subject, resource material. You're able to use standards. So I'm going to click free and see what I have that shows up. Now I need to click search down here at the bottom. And then I do have one that's free. It looks like This is kind of an overview. It doesn't go into quite the same specifics that the others do. But you can see that I am able to save it to my library if I were to click that green button. And then I can come back and use it later from my library, which you can see here at the top. It was also on that home screen. Remember, it was the first link. And you'll be able to see in my account I have several already there, but you can see that I have the introduction of Mice and Men already saved there. All right, that's it for today. I'll talk through some of the other options and how to create a presentation in my next screencast.